Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the fabulous 95. And today we're going to be taking a review of H.J. Hollis for 2021. So let's get right into this. And before I begin, please feel free to smack that like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications because you want to know when I be uploading videos, because coming soon we got Racing Red Jackson Storm and a bunch of other great cars. And Smasherville Saga returns in 8 days. Or I can't count, which is kind of sad. Also, tell me in the comments if you're a NASCAR fan. I would like to know. My favorite driver is Christopher Bell. So, I don't know why you need to know that, but I guess you did. So, let's get into the review. On the box, you see H.J. Hollis. Now, he was released back in 2017, and I had the chance of picking him up way back then. But I made the conscious decision to put him back down for the Mood Springs Next Gen and the Fax Wheel Drive Next Gen, which was a mistake on Fax Wheel Drive because he is one of the most common Next Gens, sadly. Really sadly. Anyway, on the back, you see they're grouping these together by what movie they are in. Now, definitely this is one of the older ones because I have one of the newer ones here and it'll show newer diecast on the back. But you see Smokey, which was in Cars 3, Jackson Storm in Cars 3, Cruz Ramirez in Cars 3, the Bumper Safe Tractor in Cars 3, Sean Shifter in I don't remember what his actual name is, that could be right. And then these guys, all these cars were in Cars 3. But the only sad part is, as I will just show you another one from Wave 2, or Wave 3, whatever wave it was. Well, from K's, remember different K's. Which is kind of sad is that as you continue, like that Fillmore was originally shown in Cars 1, that helicopter, Cars 1, everybody else in the back here is Cars 3, which they're not doing that great of a job, which I respect them, they're trying. Anyway, let's unbox this guy because I am rambling way too long. So let's get into the review of H.J. Hollis. Now, definitely, as this car progressed, it used to be a primarily purple car, and it still has a bunch of purple on it. But I feel like the main color now that it highlights is green more than purple, which I respect that. They've been evolving. And this is, again, if you know who, I've said this a couple of times in a video, this is definitely not my favorite type of next gen. Because I just do not see how it is more aerodynamic than all the other next gen, well, all the other, like, older race cars. Because it's more boxy. And also, half these cars would be awful in real life because their splitters aren't close enough to the ground. But anyway, I digress. On the sides, number 68 and 2 Cola. And I like just the colors choice that they did for this. Rookies types on the back, which I can make those work for Smasherville Saga. Smasherville Saga 8, The Return of Thunder and Lightning, coming out in 8 days, like I already said. And yeah, that's basically it. So, where are you going? So, thanks for watching. Like I've already said before, like and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. We are at 810. I really want to hit 900 by, I want to say, May. 900 by May. Let's just see if that's a realistic goal. My main goal is to hit 1,000 before the end of the year, but we don't need to get that far yet. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time.